back to the build, guys. So I've already gotten started today. As you can see, I've made a puddle of grease underneath the motor. Actually, it's cleaning fluids and grease, but anyway, kind of just started to scrubbing and wiping it down and trying to get all the crud off of it. There's a whole bunch of crud in around this, and boy, that took a little bit, but it's getting there. Anyway, I've just been kind of slowly spinning it. You see I've missed that spot down there. I'm gonna have to get that. I already kind of worked on the back, but there's some more stuff on it. But I'm to the point, I think I'm going to spray it down with the, I'm using this purple power stuff. I'm going to spray it down with that and let it soak for a little bit, and then I'm going to hit it with the power washer. I've got all the spark plugs are in it, so I'm not going to get anything in there. I've got the ports plugged, I've got the exhaust ports plugged. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and hit it with the power washer and really get the grease off of it, because it is going to be painted except for the caps and the clutch housing and the shifter plate there. So anyway, so I'm going to get set up for that. I'll do a time lapse of the actual spraying of it with the power washer, and then we'll go from there. All right, here we go. Yesterday it rains, and today I get a shower from the power washer. Nice. And here we are. Got all the taped up stuff off of it and put the shiny stuff back on it and took the tape off the other shiny stuff. This piece I had off of it when I painted it, so, and of course that was off of it, so. But anyway, I think that turned out pretty good. All I did was paint the whole thing. Of course this was taped off around it, but painted the whole thing, and then before the paint dried I took a rag with lacquer thinner and just touched over the high points, and voila, that's what it looks like. And then the other side, I left the big disc at the back, but I went ahead and painted the rest of that housing, and then of course did the same thing for the Kawasaki on this side. That one I need to clean up a little bit more. There's a little bit of residue on it, but no biggie. Not bad from where we started, I think. Oh yeah, I forgot to tape off the little window down there for the oil. So I had to wipe that with a little bit of lacquer thinner too. Luckily I caught it before it dried, of course. So now I can actually get to going on the frame. But it is already 4 o'clock here and my dogs want fed, so I'm going to go do that. And maybe I'll make it back out here and get a little bit more filmed, or maybe this will be the end of the video. So if it is, thank you for watching. We'll try and get back on it soon. I can't promise. I was hoping to do like work on this every day until it was done and like post a video every day. But I have some other projects that are upcoming and I do have to get them done because that's how I make money. So I'll be doing that, and there'll be a few skip days, but I promise I'll be getting a heck of a lot going more than I used to, than I have been for the last few months. So again, thanks for tuning in and watching, and we'll see you next time, and maybe we'll actually get to play with the frame and start getting tires done too. I gotta do those. I think the front tire is in good enough shape I can keep it. The back tire I definitely gotta replace. But yeah, shop's kind of a mess right now, but again, end of the day. I clean up at the end of the day and everything's good the next day. All right, y'all. Have a nice one. Bye.